Alright guys, let me turn off this music. Korean shit.
Yeah, this the Fraser Hot Yai channel. An expat sipping yadong. Chillin' with the local ties, getting our style on. I interview expat and locals with the dope vibes. If you're digging the vids, then click subscribe. Yeah, this the Fraser Hot Yai channel.
Ah, fuck, how do I do that? There we go. Alright guys, hello and welcome to the Fraser Hat Yai show. Today I'm heading with my wife. She's just gone to get some coffee. We're heading to Trang. Taking a couple days off, visit a friend in Trang, and yeah, I need a break, so we're gonna go and take a couple days to chill out. A couple days where I'm not thinking about my business and work, and yeah, so I may film some stuff as we're going and show you around Trang. So Trang is about 2 hours from Hat Yai. It's another largish for southern Thailand. It's not a tiny little town, but it's not a huge city, but it's one of the major southern towns, I guess. They have an airport. So anyway, we're gonna head to Trang, and we'll take you along. I will take you along with us. So we just got over the mountain, and we are getting close to Trang now.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we're in Trang now, and we just got back from meeting a friend of mine. Went for some fried rice and coffee. And now we're checked into the hotel in Trang. So I'll show you around the room. 700 baht a night for this place, which is pretty cheap, which includes breakfast for 2 people as well. That's my wife in the bed. The room doesn't come with that. It's an expensive extra cost. It's got a balcony, aircon of course. Here is the balcony. I guess I'll turn the camera around. Alright, so yeah, not much of a view, but just a little garden outside. Looks nice. Weather is cool and pretty nice at the moment. So moving back inside, it comes with there's a TV. A bearded weirdo in the mirror. This is my wife. I don't know what that is. It's weird shit. Anyway, suitcase. I'm not very good at giving tours. Yeah, so comes with a kettle and some glasses and bottled water, fridge, beers, any beers, empty fridge. We did some shopping today. Went to Diana, which is a shopping mall. My wife bought some leggings, which were about 200 baht, about $6. And I bought a new t-shirt, which was 99 baht, about $3. Very nice, very nice. And here's the toilet. Comes with a sink included, soap. And not a very impressive shower, but for 700 baht a night, you can't really complain, can you? Alright, so we're gonna go out and eat some mukatha now, which is a kind of Korean-influenced Thai barbecue with seafood and meat and some vegetables. So we're gonna go out and eat that, and then tomorrow we will be going on a short tail boat, on a day trip on a short tail boat. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Hello mate. So that's the the end of the first day. Went for some mookata and a couple beers. Food was nice, lots of seafood, lots of tasty stuff, as you could imagine. Wife's just in the bathroom, and got myself I've actually been off the beer for a while, but it's a trip, I may as well have a beer, so I've got the Asahi today.
Asahi.
Come on,
Put the beer in the fridge.
so I ordered the wife to put the beer in the fridge. Anyway, catch you tomorrow. Good morning. So we're about to head out to the beach and to an island on a day trip. We got breakfast this morning. This is kind of a Chinese Thai breakfast, donuts with a green custard. You may have never tried this. It's quite nice. What is it called in Thai? And a Thai style American breakfast, which comes with a bit of salad and cocktail sausages, but it's okay. Alright, catch you later. Can have. And my wife went for the cow tom, which is a rice soup with ginger, egg, minced pork, sometimes salted egg and fish, and you can have lots of different toppings, and you can add Thai condiments. Alright, so I'm just at the beach in Trang. So Trang's similar to Hat Yai, whereas you've got to drive 40 minutes or so to actually get to the beach. The town and the beach is in a different location. But anyway, as you can see, this beach is pretty quiet, pretty beautiful. To be honest, even when there was lots of tourists in Thailand, this beach never really got super busy. But it's always been one of my favorite beaches. Anyway, we're waiting for the tide to come in a little bit and a boat to come pick us up, and then we're gonna head out to some of these islands over here and yeah, see what it's like. My wife and my friend and his girlfriend over there. Yep, so I'll see you when the boat gets here.
Calm at the moment, doesn't it?
Yeah, not too bad. Tilata. Hey doggy. The short tail boat. Just say something stupid just to kind of trigger people. It's not a short tail boat, you fucking idiot. We're heading to that island over there now. So we just went through that cave there. And it takes us out into a beach in the middle of the mountain. It's weird. So there's the only way back to the ocean is through the cave, or you have to climb up there. It's pretty cool. It's like the Maya Bay, but actually Maya Bay, because Maya Bay you can kind of walk around, but this you literally have to go through a cave or jump from up here to get into this area, which is pretty cool. Let me show you the sign over here. Oh, go ahead.
Where?
Hat Chow Mai. Apparently, one of the Pirates of the Caribbean was filmed here. Anyway, pretty cool place. We're about done with the trip. This is the last stop, and then we're gonna head back to Trang town, and probably grab some tasty food tonight as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool here. It's nice. You know, when you live in Thailand, you don't always go to these kind of touristy places or kind of trips and beach. Like, I rarely go to the beach. I live in Thailand, but I rarely go to the beach. So it is nice to now and again take a trip and see places like this in Thailand. Cool. All right, guys. Catch you later.